today. Allow me to tell you that when we looked into everything around the world as gaps and issues, we knew the world would need food and shelter and security and clean water and clean air. We knew that the world would need equality in all its forms. We knew that the world needs more communication, more collaboration. And that is the journey of life. We are born in a community. We start crawling, we go to school, we start working, we achieve, and then we start investing. Which brings back the enabling term that I used with Mauro, and we had a great conversation about. We become enablers at that stage. What we noticed that everything we need in this world is to stay innovating. And in order to enable that, we have to be part of a community. We were born as a startup. But the thing about us, and the hard thing about us, is that we were born as a startup for startups. So we didn't have that business model that would be shining bright to investors out there. And at the core of enablement, we will always go back to a newborn and to the newborn, which we all human beings are. Dan, thank you for being in the AdTech world and for maybe giving us more indulgence in the topic. At Innovatorsgate, we chose to become an ecosystem to focus on education and embed more innovation, embed more strategic capacities, because even a grade 1 students can have foresight, can see elements and put the pieces of the puzzle together and put different factors and see beyond today. So if we can move forward with more innovation at school, more SDGs at school, part of the culture, and more values and foresight and strategy at school, I think we'll be able to solve all the problems. We'll be able to get food and air and equality. And what we loved about this space, and which we definitely are sure that you will agree with us, is that the great vibes that exist in the innovation world, in everybody you meet with, everybody you communicate with, this breaks all the barriers. I mean, we haven't known you maybe 10 or 15 days ago. None of you was part of our circle even. And now you all decided to collaborate, which is the second thing that we are focusing on. We would love to have a chance to speak more. We would love to hear more of such value input. Gathering you today was an enrichment to us, for everybody who has attended and who will attend in the future. And as a team, I want to tell you that we slept at my apartment last night, the whole team. And we were working, we had a 5 hours straight second day and another 5 hours straight day before. The beautiful thing about it is that we were playing Mafia at 1 and 2 a.m. in the morning, right? We want to thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, our attendees, our speakers. Now we are closing BITS conference, Orchestrating Technologies in Business. This is the third day. We had 7 panels, 63 speeches from 55 speakers from over 20 countries. We had attendees, despite the fact that there are not thousands, but there are hundreds from over 70 countries around the world. We had all levels of executives and all levels of startups. We thank every curious person who attended and wanted to grasp more knowledge, we will be definitely in touch soon, and the recordings will be out prepared for people to learn and people to collaborate. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care.